I love a juicy burger, so I'm going to show you a beautiful lamb burger with a Zhug green sauce. This sauce is outstanding, goes perfectly with the lamb. So first we need some good quality organic lamb mince. Make sure that it's a little bit fatty because that's going to help our hamburgers stick together. So 500 grams, and we'll just place that into a bowl. Now all I'm adding to this lamb is a good pinch of salt and some freshly cracked pepper. Now, I don't want to add any spices to it because I really want to taste the lamb and I want it to char grill so it gets that smoky flavour. All the flavour and spices are going to be in our beautiful Zhug green sauce. Now get your hands in here and mush it up. You don't need to add any egg, any breadcrumbs at all. The fat in the lamb is going to be enough to stick this together. Now, while I'm mixing this, I want to preheat my grill. I'm going to place this on the burger setting so I get perfectly cooked lamb burgers. I want mine to be medium, so just blushing in the center. So now I'm just going to separate this into 4 even balls, and then we'll just roll them just in your hands. It should be about tennis ball sizes. And then we'll do the second one. And then I'll keep these for later. I just want to cook 2 for now. And then I'm just going to press them just lightly to make them into rissole sizes. I don't want to squish on it too much because it will flatten in the grill when it starts to char grill. Perfect. And then let's start cooking this. Now I just want to place these burgers on one side of the grill because I need this other side to toast the buns later on. So we'll just press down on that so we get a nice crispy topping. Now for this green sauce, get a tea towel and place a mortar and pestle on top of the tea towel. Now we'll add some garlic into a mortar and pestle, a pinch of salt, and I'll just crush that. Now once it turns into a paste, we can add some spices and some chilli. I'm using green chilies just so we keep that beautiful green colour of the sauce. I'll roughly chop this, seeds and all, so we get a little bit of heat. But these long chilies don't have too much spice in them. If you want a really good kick, use those small little green chilies. And then we'll pound this again until it purees. Now once all of that chili mixes in with that garlic, just like that, we can add our spices. This is a combination of fennel seeds, ground cumin, ground coriander, and some cardamom. Beautiful flavours that match nicely to our lamb. So we'll add that into our mortar and pestle. And then just mix that up. And now for some lemon, a hint of zest. And I'll also add some of the juice. So squeeze that in. Now all we need to do is add some herbs and some olive oil to bring it all together. A combination of parsley, some fresh mint. Have a look at this mint. It smells fantastic. And coriander. So I'll pick all these leaves off and then I'll crush it into this spice mix and then add a little bit of oil. Now the sauce is done. Look at this vibrant green colour. Smells divine. And now I know the burgers are ready, so let's start assembling this. I want to warm up a nice soft milk bun. Just cut that in half. So we'll pop it on this side of our grill. And while that's warming up, we can just slice some pickles really thinly. Good old classic pickles. A few of those. I'll pick some herbs to go in it. This is going to be the salad component of our burger. So a small handful of parsley, some coriander, and that beautiful mint. We'll add 3 or 4 leaves of that. Done. Now, really keeping with a Middle Eastern theme of these burgers, a little bit of yogurt, that's also going to be an extra sauce. And because I love sauce so much, a little bit of hummus. Now, these have warmed through, so one of the buns can go on the plate. We'll top that with hummus to start with, spreading that to the ends, a dollop of Greek-style yogurt, and for our char-grilled burger, we'll take that off the grill and we'll pop that on top, just squish that down a little bit. We'll add our pickles, and now for our gorgeous green Zhug sauce. I want quite a lot of this. And just let it drip on the sides. And finally, some of our extra herbs on top. And a little bit more hummus on the top of our burger bun, just a small amount. Top that. There you go. Lamb burger, a hell of a lamb burger. So many different varieties of sauces. There's so many different green sauces in the world. This one is a Middle Eastern style, full of spices, and it really goes nicely with lamb. Why not try putting it in a burger just like this?